Up first this evening, former Education Minister Ruel Reid and CMU President Professor Fritz Pinnock will continue to face the court on fraud-related charges following today's ruling by the Supreme Court.
Chief Justice Brian Sykes has refused an application for leave for judicial review, basically sending the men back to the parish court. Details of the 32-page ruling in this report.
Ruel Reid and Professor Fritz Pinnock went to the High Court requesting leave to challenge the authority's decision to charge them. Put another way, they wanted to quash the fraud-related charges in the multi-million-dollar corruption case involving the Caribbean Maritime University CMU and the Education Ministry. Through their attorneys led by Hugh Wildman, both men argued that the Financial Investigations Division FID is purely an investigative body, and it does not have the power to arrest and charge anyone. Chief Justice Brian Sykes agreed. He went on to say, however, that it was officers of the Jamaica Constabulary Force that arrested Pinnock and Reid. Interestingly, though, the Chief Justice pointed out that those police officers are not designated under Section 2 of the FID Act, and if they used any unauthorized powers, it might raise admissibility issues which can be addressed during a criminal trial. Lawyers for Reid and Pinnock also argued that the fiat granted to attorneys Richard Small and Sherry Lee Bolton was invalid. The Chief Justice pointed out that the Director of Public Prosecutions is authorized to grant fiats to attorneys to prosecute a criminal matter. Plus, it was the lawyers that got the fiat, not the FID. In conclusion, Brian Sykes ruled that lawyers representing Reid and Pinnock cited no exceptionally good reason, and so there's no factual basis for granting a judicial review. Dr. Fritz Pinnock, counselor for the Brownstown Division Kim Brown Lawrence, Ruel Reid, his wife Sharon and daughter Sharel are scheduled to return to the St. Andrew Parish Court on January 23. Investigators claim that over $56 million was diverted from the CMU and Education Ministry for personal use.